Pennywise found on Google Earth. This is also from Oddly Terrifying. This is It.
Yeah.
The clown from It. He's in the sewers, right?
Yeah.
He lures children into the sewers and eats them.
Seems okay.
Feasible.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Stephen King.
That's Stephen King right there.
No, I don't mean right there. I mean that's his thing.
Yeah.
It's the suit squeezes your blood from your legs, so it will go back to your brain. Damn. Getting back to the
So a shorter circulation. That's why.
I don't know. I guess it maybe stops it from going further to your extremities.
Right.
Sort of keeps it closer. But I don't know. Otis, speaking of G-force,
Drank too much blood.
Oh my!
his blood diet.
Yeah.
Otis is on an experimental dog blood diet. I mean, they are wolves anyway, so not really a big deal. Okay, so what do you guys think about that?
Oddly terrifying. Exactly what it is.
Yeah, it's just it's actually just a soccer ball.
Is it really? No.
Look at Mo.
I don't know.
Cut to Mo's camera. Hurry.
Hurry, as if I can't hear him saying that.
Hurry, cut to Mo's camera, hurry, please.
Yeah, I don't think it's a person under there, but it could be easily just like...
What is it, Mo?
I don't know now. Now I'm second guessing it. I don't think it's a person.
What is it? A soccer ball? What is it?
Maybe.
Hold on, let me try to find the
to...
reference here.
What reference? What do you want?
Like the screen grab from the film.
Well, I mean,
yeah, but do the older one. Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, it's the older one for sure. I mean,
whoa. That's
so.
what
is your point with the reference though?
I just want to see like how close it is, because this is not Google's doing, right? Like they didn't modify this picture to have Pennywise. Yeah, someone actually did
this is marketing for the film.
Oh, is it?
No.
There's no film. There's no film coming out.
It'd be kind of cool if it was like a scavenger hunt.
Oh, cool.
Google Maps marketing?
Yeah.
Well, you would pick up on it right away.
Well,
how much time
the problem is that it can't be fictional, all right? Google Maps has to be real. It's very important.
Someone decided to troll, right?
I think it's a troll.
Put on like an image there.
Are you talking about?
Do you think it's shopped?
Not. I don't know, like a
poster or something,
head or something, like a physical head.
Honestly, in the comments, there's all kinds of speculation of like Photoshop versus soccer ball versus,
Okay.
Some people are not happy with it. Others find it funny.
Can we find it?
No.
They have
there's no end to this.
Oh, I want to find the coordinates.
No, there's no end to it. Well, okay. Yeah, if it was real, the coordinates would be there. Somebody would post the coordinates, right? Yeah. And then
wait, there's something written in the side. I guess it's too blurry to something Derry.
Derry is the town.
Okay, good old Derry.
Yes, I don't know that that's going to be enough.
Oh, Maine. Derry, Maine.
Oh, that's where
the
story takes place.
But then where do you find
Okay, so it's Photoshop because the car is a Peugeot. It's a French car.
Oh, look at you. How'd you figure that out? Wow.
Ain't nobody in Derry, Maine importing that. No chance.
Oh, wow. So this is fake. We've come to that conclusion that this is fake and we've been goofed.
There is no Pennywise.
I'd say you've been goofed.
All right.
Say you've been goofed.